guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. Today's video is brought to you by Beauty Forever. So I have worked with them a couple times in the past. So today we're taking a little break from the headband wigs. They're still coming, but a little break from them to give you guys this ombre kind of fall ready human hair wig from Beauty Forever. So I'm gonna go ahead and read the specs for you guys because you guys already saw the unboxing and the application process and me curling it and everything. So this is a 4x4 lace part wig with baby hairs, and the color is called LT430, and this is a ombre straight colored wig, and it has 150% density. I got the, I'm gonna assume this is 20 inches. Yeah, let me see how much this is. Oh, okay. So this, with this color and 20 inches, this wig is only $137.92. That is really good for a wig that is pre-colored and this much hair. So let's get into how I feel about this wig. So I saw the color when they were like sending me pictures, you know, to choose which wig I wanted to review, and I saw this and I was like, this looks like fall. This looks very much like pumpkin spice. So I was like, I want to try this. And you guys know I've been doing a lot of headband wigs lately, so I wanted to kind of break it up because I have a lot more of those coming up as well. Yeah, so I decided to get this. So when I was looking at this wig, this has a 4x4, like it has that 4x4 scalp method underneath, and I have tried scalp, you know, like the stocking cap kind of wigs in the past, but they haven't been closures. They've been like 13x6 wigs. And with this one, I do feel like it's a con because it's not needed at all, because if they just had a closure wig, you know, with regular lace, it would be easier to blend. So I felt like even when I was showing you guys the parting space, it was kind of getting lost because you couldn't really see it that well. But of course I used my face powder. I used the Maybelline Fit Me in color 334. I used that in my parting space to widen it and make it, you know, stand out a little bit more. So that wasn't a big deal, but I don't feel like it's necessary to have like that scalp method underneath when you could just use your powder to open it up. The knots on this wig were not bleached, so the knots were very apparent, but after you put powder in it, you don't really see it, so it's not a big deal. I wanted to get a closure because closures are easy, and when I wear my 13x6 frontals and stuff, lately I wear them like closures anyway. I don't pay attention to the sides at all, and I just focus on the side part or whatever 4x4 area, in this case the middle part, and it was super easy. So I was gonna wear this straight because just straightening a wig is easy. It's just easier. But the way that they ombre this wig, I wasn't feeling it straight with this color. The way that they ombre it was a little bit too blunt in some spots. So I decided to put curls in it with my, this is the Infinity Pro 2-in-1 curling iron, a flat iron and a curling iron with a curved barrel here, so you can flat iron your hair but also curl your hair. So I've been using this quite a bit. So I had to put curls in it because the ombre was a little bit too choppy for me. So if you do get this wig, I would recommend either like softening the transition from the dark number 4 to the 30 color. And I would recommend this because I've been using this for all summer really. I saw it in one of Natural Joy's videos, and I do like this a lot. I'll leave an Amazon affiliate link down below in case you want to purchase that. So yeah, so the big cons for me with this wig was the scalp method that they had underneath. I wasn't feeling that. I didn't feel like it was necessary, and the way that they blended this color could have been more finessed and like more of a softer transition instead of like brown and then the 30. It looks like they tried to do it, but it wasn't as blended as I would prefer. But with the curls, it kind of softens it and you don't see it as much. I think it looks really good after I curled it. A lot better because I wasn't feeling this like 100%. So, but the pros with this wig, I do love the color overall. I just wish it was blended better. I like this length, and I do like how it looks curled. And the price, I already told you the price. This length this color, $137.92. I feel like that's a really good deal and investment. If you are somebody who you enjoy synthetic wigs, but you want something, you know, something that's a bit more long lasting, but you don't want to pay those prices of the higher end human hair wigs, this is a nice, like, you know, lower mid-tier level wig that's pre-colored. You get all these inches here for $137. And if you went shorter, like, let me see what the shortest length, how much that was. Wow, if you got this in 14 inches, this wig is only $89. 16 inches is $102, 18 is $117. And then if you're somebody who wants a lot of inches, 24 inches is $200. So all of those prices are really, really good. So if you're interested in purchasing this wig, I have a direct link down below. I didn't have any issues with like excessive shedding or tangling or anything like that. My hands are gliding right through it, so I haven't had any issues with tangling or shedding. So if you are interested in this wig, again, I will have direct links to where you can purchase it on Beauty Forever's website. Shout out to them for sponsoring another video, and shout out to my Premiere Squad for tuning in and watching this with me. If you would like to be a part of Premiere Squad, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, turn on your notifications, and you should be notified every time I do uploads. And if you are new here, follow me on Instagram at ifancycupcakes. I'm very active on there. I post several times a week, and I just got a Like to Know It page, so follow me on Like to Know It at ifancycupcakes. I'm about to be doing some more like fashion and stuff on my channel after I get these wig reviews out the way. So follow me on Like to Know It, download the app and follow me there. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. We are so close to 140K. We're gonna get there by the end of September. I know it. And then we're on the road to 150. So I'm super excited. I'm super excited about all the growth that I've had on my channel in the last 2 months. I wasn't expecting any of this, but I really appreciate it. And thank you guys so much. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.